Okay, rotation. Here, you can rotate the design in 90-degree increments, or rotate it and mirror it. So if you press this button here, oh, I can't do anything because I'm in drive mode. Let me leave that. I press it here, enter. Okay, because you can't change parameters while you're in drive mode. Drive mode is active. When that drive mode's active, you're ready to sew, and you should leave that if you need to change any parameters. Okay, so we left drive mode. We want to rotate the design, and if you press the button here, you can see that this P will start rotating. If you used embroidery machines, you're used to this P pattern. And when you press it a few times, you'll notice it will not only rotate but invert. And so here, this is back to normal, a regular P. Most people will want to spin it around this way for caps. And the other ones are not too popular, and these are not popular either. But if you just press this and go to the P, then you will be sewing right side up. You press P a couple of times to here, then you are all ready for caps. Now it's proper orientation. Just hit it a couple of times, and now we're back to the regular P. You can also change this in parameters, but this is a much quicker way. And again, when you're in drive mode, it won't let you do much of anything for changing parameters. So this is no longer can rotate. You'll probably have to leave drive mode here. And let's actually do this. There we go. And hit our drive mode or confirm mode. As you see here, it's now upside down. Yes, it's upside down and ready for caps. And let's bring it right side up again. There we go, it's P. That's right side up. Let's go back in drive mode to see our pattern. There, back to original. And that is rotation mode. And again, you have to release. You cannot be in a drive or confirm mode. This has to be red before you can do any rotation. And that's rotation mode.